Hello friend, previous lecture I have seen that what is heterocyclic compound and its nomenclature. Now next topic is our preparation of heterocyclic compound. First one is preparation of pyrazole compound. Preparation of pyrazole compound. Its preparation of pyrazole compound by five methods. First one is from acetylene, second one is from dicarbonyl compound, third one is from alpha beta unsaturated ketone compound, and fourth one is from ethyl acetoacetate compound, and fifth one is from propionaldehyde compound. Let's see one by one method. First we see that from acetylene. Here acetylene react with diazomethane. This is acetylene. It is react with diazomethane compound under 3 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Here acetylene contain 2 and diazomethane contain 3, means 3 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction under to preparation of pyrazole compound. Let's see its reaction. Here diazomethane and acetylene reaction. Here diazomethane contain methylene group is nucleophilic acid this carbon atom. Here this bond is new bond formation, and this time here carbon valence is 5, 3, 4 and 5. Then this bond is cleavage and open and formation of carbon nitrogen new bond. Then here carbon nitrogen new bond are formation, then nitrogen valency is 4, but actually nitrogen valency is 3. Then this bond is also cleavage and transfer to nitrogen atom. Let's see it. Here nucleophilic attack this carbon atom, then this new bond are formation, this bond are cleavage, and this bond are new formation. Also this new bond are, and this bond is cleavage. That means it is completely cyclization. This stage is transition state. Let's see that this type of transition state to preparation of cyclization pyrazole compound. Now see that it is transition state. Next step, it is prepare completely cyclization. Now here this hydrogen attached to carbon atom. Now it is transferred to this carbon atom to nitrogen atom by rotation of double bond. This hydrogen can be transferred this double bond, new double bond. Here carbon valency is 5, then this double bond is open. Here new double bond formation. This nitrogen double bond is open, and this bond is open to open and transfer to nitrogen. This means it is nucleophile. This hydrogen atom transfer from this carbon to nitrogen atom. Let's see that here 2 hydrogen atom, and now see it is 1 hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom is transferred to nitrogen atom. Let's see that. Now it is synthesis of pyrazole. Now our second method for preparation of pyrazole compound from dicarbonyl compound. Let's see that from dicarbonyl compound. Here dicarbonyl compound is acetylene acetone. Let's see one example. Here acetylene acetone plus hydrazine is acetylene acetone and its hydrazine. In this reaction, acetylene acetone react with hydrazine to remove of water molecule. In hydrazine contain 2 hydrogen atom and acetylene acetone contain oxygen atom. This means nitrogen is nucleophilic attached carbonyl compound and this oxygen and these 2 hydrogen remove of H2O. Let's see. Now next, another carbonyl compound and another NH2 group contain 2 hydrogen atom. Then this nitrogen is nucleophilic attached to this carbonyl compound and this carbonyl compound carbon-carbon double bond it open and it O minus. Let's see. Here nucleophilic attached nitrogen atom, then carbon oxygen double bond is open NO minus. Here this hydrogen is transferred from oxygen atom, this means it is OH. Now another is departing group is OH group. Now see that this compound easily remove of water molecule. Let's see that this CH2 group contain 2 hydrogen atom. This means OH contain oxygen atom is 2 lone pair. It accept this proton and this proton remove by this new double bond formation and remove OH. This hydrogen and this OH means remove of H2O and preparation of pyrazole compound. It is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3,5 dimethyl pyrazole. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and 5 position 2 methyl group is it means 3, 4 dimethyl pyrazole. Now we see that how it is remember easily. Now see that જ્યારે આને ઇઝીલી યાદ રાખવું હોય ત્યારે આનું ડિસ્કનેક્શન કરવાનું. આ રીતના ડિસ્કનેક્શન કરો ત્યારે ઇઝીલી આપણે ખબર પડે કે આ બાજુ 2 નાઇટ્રોજન એટમ અને આ બાજુની સાઈડના આખું એક ઇથિલિન એસિટો કમ્પાઉન્ડ. ઇટ્સ મીન્સ 2 નાઇટ્રોજન વાળો એક અલગ કમ્પાઉન્ડ હશે અને એક આ ગ્રુપ હશે. એ બંને જોઈન્ટ થઈ અને 3,5 ડાયમિથાઇલ પાયરેઝોલ કમ્પાઉન્ડ બને. એટલે કે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ આપણે કમ્પાઉન્ડનું પ્રિપરેશન કરી ત્યારે જે કમ્પાઉન્ડ જે એનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર ખબર હોય તો એના ઉપરથી આપણે થોડો ઘણો આઈડિયા આવે કે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ મટીરિયલ કયું હશે. Now next another third point is synthesis from ethyl acetoacetate. Synthesis of pyrazole from ethyl acetoacetate. ethyl acetoacetate. Here plus hydrogen. Here see that ethyl acetoacetate. This material is compound name is ethyl acetoacetate plus hydrogen. Reaction of ethyl acetoacetate with hydrogen. Now see that first of all we see that this ethyl acetoacetate remove easily, means it is easily departing group is ethoxy group. It means amine group. Hydrogen contain nitrogen atom nucleophilic attack the carbonyl compound. Carbon oxygen double bond is open and formation O minus. Now next O minus is formation of after double bond, then easily remove ethoxy group. It means remove C2H5OH. Another carbonyl compound is resin. Now our goal is synthesis of pyrazole cyclization compound. Now what happened? This nitrogen atom is nucleophilic attack from this carbonyl compound, and 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom to preparation of pyrazole compound. Remove of H2O. This is synthesis of pyrazole compound from ethyl acetoacetate. Another example for preparation of pyrazole is from propionaldehyde. From propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Let's see example. Plus hydrogen. Here propionaldehyde react with hydrogen to preparation of formation of pyrazole. Here let's see that nitrogen atom nucleophilic attack carbonyl compound. Here 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Remove of H2O. Now next, here our goal is formation of pyrazole compound. Which is pyrazole compound? Here cyclization from carbon and nitrogen new bond are formation, then complete cyclization in preparation of pyrazole. That means this nitrogen atom bond nucleophilic attack for this carbon atom, and here carbon valency is 5, then this bond are open and this bond transfer for this carbon atom. That means here 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 3 hydrogen shifting. Here nitrogen contain 2 hydrogen atom. It transfer from this place to this place, means 1 2 3 hydrogen shifting. 1 3 hydrogen shift. This is called pyrazole compound. Now our next preparation from alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Preparation of pyrazole from alpha beta unsaturated ketone compound. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone compound. Let's see example. Here alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound reaction with hydrazine to formation of pyrazole compound. Let's see its reaction mechanism. First of all, we see that here nitrogen atom contain 2 hydrogen atom. This nitrogen contain 2 hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom transfer nitrogen to this carbon atom. This means here contain 2 hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom, nitrogen contain 2 hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom transfer this carbon atom. It means here hydrogen atom. This carbon double bond are cleavage. Now next is we have our goal is cyclization compound of pyrazole. Next, nitrogen contain nucleophilic attack carbonyl compound, carbon oxygen double bond open. Here contain 2 hydrogen atom, and nitrogen contain 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. It means remove of H2O. Now we see that what is removed from this compound. Here hydrogen and its chlorine. That means it hydrogen and its chlorine group remove easily, means HCl remove. Now its compound name is 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 5 3 phenyl 5-methyl pyrazole. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3-phenyl 5-methyl pyrazole. Now it compound, it disconnection. This compound breakdown. We see that it is hydrogen and alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. જ્યારે આપણે કોઈ પણ compound નું પ્રોડક્ટ જે બનાવવાની હોય એ આપણે ખબર હોય કે આ ટાઈપનો કમ્પાઉન્ડ બનાવવાનો અથવા તો આ ટાઈપનું કમ્પાઉન્ડ સિન્થેસિસ કરવો તો એનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર ખબર હોય તો એના ઉપરથી આપણે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ મટીરિયલ જે રહ્યું એ પણ થોડો ઘણો આપણે આઈડિયા મળે. તો અત્યારે સુધી જે આપણે ટોટલ 5 સિન્થેસિસ જોઈ કે જે પાયરેઝોલની સિન્થેસિસની pyrazole compound synthesis करिए गए. First one is from acetylene compound, second one is ethyl acetate from ethyl acetate compound, third one is alpha beta unsaturated ketone compound, fourth one is propanoldehyde compound, and another example is, let's see this example. Now our next preparation of synthesis of compound, let's see next lecture. Now next our compound is imidazole compound. Preparation of imidazole compound. Preparation of imidazole compound by 4 methods. First one is from formaldehyde. Second one is from dicarbonyl compound, third one is from alkyl compound, and fourth one is ethylene diamine compound. Let's see one by one. First one from formaldehyde. Here, diethylmethylmethyl plus formaldehyde reaction. Here, nitrogen contains 2 hydrogen atoms. This is nucleophilic atom from this carbon atom. We see that here nitrogen contains 2 hydrogen atoms. One hydrogen atom transferred from this nitrogen atom. Then carbon nitrogen double bond NH group convert into NH2 group. Next, NH2. Here NH2 group and one hydrogen atom. One hydrogen and NH2 means remove of ammonia group. That type of cell, here one hydrogen atom and here NH2 group. Remove of NH2 plus hydrogen means ammonia. This nitrogen nucleophilic carbon atom. Remove of NH2 and one hydrogen. Here ammonia group remove one ammonia group from this position. Remove of 2 more of ammonia group. Formation of imidazole compound. This compound is called 4,5-dicyanoimidazole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4,5-dicyanoimidazole compound. Next compound of imidazole prepared from dicarbonyl compound. There's some more imidazole compound from dicarbonyl compound. Here, 1 mole of glyoxal, 2 moles ammonia plus 1 mole of formaldehyde. Here, we see that here 2 glyoxal means 2 carbonyl compound. Here 1 carbonyl group, here another 1 carbonyl group. Here ammonia group. Ammonia contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Nitrogen nucleophilic from carbonyl compound, then remove one water molecule. Let's see there. Here, one ammonia attack from this carbonyl compound, another ammonia attack from this carbonyl compound. Carbon oxygen double bond yields in formation of OH2. And next, remove of 2 moles of water molecule. Carbon nitrogen double bond CH, carbon nitrogen double bond NH. Now another reagent is available for formaldehyde. This nitrogen contains gas nucleophilic effect from this carbonyl compound. Formation of carbon oxygen double bond yield the formation of OH2. Now next, this nitrogen and this OH2. Remove H2O. Now, this carbon contains 2 hydrogen atoms. Now, this hydrogen atom transfer from this nitrogen atom by rotation of double bond. This is called imitation. This preparation of imitation from glycol to ammonia and formaldehyde. Now, next preparation of imitation from alpha halox ketone compound. Hello, ketone compound from hello ketone compound. Let's see one example. Acetophenol, alpha halo, alpha bromo, acetophenol plus benzene. In this reaction, first of all, remove of HBr. This NH2 group contains one hydrogen atom remove, and this CH2 contains bromine atom. Remove one HBr.
Now, this nitrogen atom nuclearly attacked from this carbonyl compound and carbon oxygen double bond is open and converted into hydroxy group. CH2 NH. Here, this nitrogen contain one hydrogen transfer from this oxygen atom and carbonyl compound open to hydroxy group. Now, removal of water molecule. This is one hydrogen atom and the OH group. This name is 2,4-dimethyl imidazole. 2,4-dimethyl imidazole. This compound is called 2,4-dimethyl imidazole. Now, this compound may be prepared by easily by remember this connection this side two part, 1 year and another year. Two starting material may be remembered by our product. Now another preparation of imidazole from ethylene diamine. From ethylene diamine. CH2, NH2, NH2, ethylene diamine plus acetic acid under deep and acidic medium condition. First of all, we see that removal of H2O, one hydrogen from NH2 group and this OH group. CH2, CH2, NH2, NH. Removal of water molecule. Now next, another water molecule removed from this atom contain two hydrogen atom and another carbonyl group nuclearly ligated converted into OH group and CH2, CH2, NH. OH, CH3. Now, remove hydrogen atom from this NH group and the OH group. Remove H2O. CH3. Now, another next step is dehydrogenation under 400 degrees Celsius. Use catalytic platinum and aluminium trioxide to removal of two hydrogen atoms from this carbon atom and potassium double bond. This is called imidazole compound 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl imidazole. Is synthesis of 2-methyl imidazole from ethylene diamide and acetic acid. Now this lecture we see there preparation of imidazole by 4 method. Repeated from formating reaction, next from dicarbonyl compound, third one is from alkyl compound, and next one is ethylene diamide compound.